I've done that, and that back door step is rotten, the skids. So keeping with the theme of making stuff for free, I've got some timber that I got off a neighbour of ours when they moved. It was all in their garage. So this will do. It's like a 2 by something, 2 by 1.5, something like that. Yeah, 1.25. It's not treated, so I'm gonna give it some staining treatment and stuff, and I'm gonna try and put some of this flashing on the bottoms of the skids just to protect it a little bit. Yeah, so they were for nothing. That was for nothing. And obviously, you know, the screws up for nothing. So the bottom of the skids are rotten. The actual step is fine. I couldn't get the screws out, so I levered them off and snapped the screws off the other end. I'm probably gonna maybe turn them over. I'll see how it goes. But I'm not going to stain these because it'll just wear off anyway with the foot traffic. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is cut those up into the right length, 80 centimetres, and then clean those up with a sander, and then we'll see how we get on from there. So I thought I hit record, but I didn't, obviously. Basically all it was is screwing the thing together. So this time, instead of sinking the screws with plasterboard screws, I actually drilled and counterbored all the screws so all the heads are level, so I can find them if I need to take it apart again. Because it was a bit of a bitch to get it apart, end up levering it all apart with a bar. Lucky enough it didn't snap, so yeah, it looks a lot better. I weren't going to paint it, then I did. So the only thing is, it will wear off. This is already, I only just touched that, so I might give it another coat. Then again, I might not. We're looking for a bigger mat. So yeah, looks more tidier, keeping up with the theme. So this stain is pretty good on sawn timber. Oh, these were roofing battens, by the way. I thought it was just ordinary 2v1, but they weren't. They were roofing battens. And yeah, it looks all right. This is all painted. Oh God. Because none of this was here when we moved in here. So this has got to be 10 years. All the thing round the top for the fencing stopped the cat, but it didn't. The cat still managed to jump over it and run up on the roof, because because this is a flat all on its own with a terrace. There's nothing else joined to it, so it's lovely, apart from the odd dog and neighbour, but hey, can't win them all. So yeah, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.